place the flower in there on top of the napkin on the plate, and I think this is gonna be so cute. Y'all, it is 10:15 and I finally got through making all of my favors. All right, moment of truth. This is my makeshift headband. And bless them as a sign. Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday and it's an exciting weekend because tomorrow Zaedyn is going to be blessed, or we're going to have a christening ceremony for him. First at the church and then at a restaurant. So today I've got a few errands to run. We are going to make a headband to match with my outfit. I was too late in ordering one, so I now have to try and DIY it. Let's see how that goes. And then we also have to do the party favors, and I want to make some little seat tags. So all those things need to get done today before 5 o'clock because the designer Iva is going to be meeting with my sister and they're going to be going over to the venue, and it would be nice for them to have all those things together. As Xavier in the background. So I'm right now at the fabric store to see if I can pull some things for the headband. This is the only headband I could find on island. Let me tell you, I went to every store looking for an all white headband, couldn't find anything. So this is the only one I could find that was the oh geez, that was, if you can hear me, that was the thickness that I needed. So we're gonna see what we can do with this when we get home, but I just need to get the material, and then we're gonna go to the office supply store so I can get the paper and the stuff for the favors and the seat tags. So all of that to do right now. So let's go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Say it again. Are you ready? Aww. Let's see. So can you place that on top of it? Just let me see that the white will just kind of cover it. You shouldn't see anything. That will work. That works perfectly. All right, let's take that. Perfect. Found the perfect beads. So I'm gonna mix this with some beige looking ones, and they're flat, so they should stick nicely. And I got some scraps of the white material, so yeah. All right, I'm looking for a means to be able to cover up my Italian chocolates. But I'm not really finding everything that I need. So the lady was telling me about tissue paper. That might be an option, but the label stickers, they're not big enough, the size that I'm looking for. So it's turning into a little bit of a hunt. All right, y'all, it is 5:30, much later in the day. We went to pick up the cake. I dropped it off to my mom's house so we could put that in her refrigerator. And now I am printing off the seat tags. I'm like so behind, but I'm trying not to stress out about it. God bless my sister and Miss Iva again. They're probably at the venue trying to like scope everything out, make sure everything is perfect for tomorrow. But I printed off these, the name tags. I did everybody's, and I have it on this thick paper. So I was gonna go by your office, but I didn't have time with the kids, so I'm doing it at home. So yeah, I'm just gonna take these tags, cut them out, and then make a little, I'm gonna show you. Let me cut out one, and then I will show you. Like, this is my inspo. It's not gonna be exactly like this, but you get the idea if you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, there we go. So I just want something simple with their name on, with a little flower on the napkin. So I just thought that was very crafty, cute, simple. It's not looking like this one, but I will take these because I think these are going to match the menu that the menu style that the restaurant is doing anyways. So let me cut these out and then show you kind of like my vision. I think I'm going to have to leave the the chocolates for after the kids go to sleep, because it is 5:30. They are going to go down around 7:38 because Xavier didn't take any nap today again, which is fine because that means he goes to sleep early, and then that will give me time to do the chocolates and then do my headband, which I really wanted my mom to help me with the headband because I'm not the best seamstress, but I might have to just do it myself. But the headband is the least important. These things and the favors are the most important. I'm so excited. Y'all, the cake is so bomb. Wani did a good job with that, so I know everybody will enjoy it. And if I was at my office, I'd have that lever thing that I could just do a few swipes and all of these would be done, but I'm not there, so scissors is what it is for right now. Okay, so like this is Ronnie's. I think that is so cute. I just did this in Word. Alright, then I'm going to use my hole puncher and create a little hole like so. And then these are the flowers I got from the supermarket when we stopped by there today. Well, I'm not going to do this now. I'm just having my mom cut the flowers into small pieces, and then I will give this to the design lady, Miss Iva. So tomorrow morning all she has to do is, so yeah, you come, you see your name on your plate with your little napkin, and I think that's gonna be so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these and stack them up so that my sister will have them to give to Miss Iva. God bless her always. She always comes in clutch with any design things we need. She's the best. Yeah. It's simple, y'all, I know, but I think it's cute, and I'm putting a lot of time into it because I care and I love all of our guests who are coming to share in this important occasion for Puffins. And yeah, I just like these little simple touches. It doesn't have to be expensive. Well, everything else is expensive, but this is DIY at its finest. Y'all, right now I am doing the chocolates. So these are from my Italian gift baskets. I just wanted to give people something. So I have 2 types of chocolates. These, which are so good, and these as well. So let me take this off because it's hot in here. It is like 9 o'clock. I'm hoping to finish this by 10 so then I can get started on my headband. Why am I always last minute up late at night doing these random things that nobody probably ever asked for? Anyways, I take pleasure in it. I just did my first one. Like, it was hard getting the measurements and stuff down, but I just think it's so cute. And then on the back, I'm gonna take these little gold stickers and I'm gonna place it on the back so that it has the ingredient listing so people know what the ingredients are. But isn't that so cute? I'm kind of like, it's kind of twisted, so I'm trying to do better at the next ones. So if you get a twisted one, know that yours is probably first. But yeah, Zaedyn's dedication. Thanks for coming. So I absolutely love this design. I'm gonna go ahead and make, I think, 25 of them, and then that's it. Hopefully everybody gets one. Yeah. I'm just a little nervous about I'm nervous for a couple of things because I haven't even showered to get into bed yet. This was the universe working in my favor with both Xavier and Zaedyn going to sleep at 8 o'clock. I mean, when I saw Ronnie bringing Xavier up the stairs at 8 o'clock, I'm like, oh no, hell no. Thank you, Jesus, so that I have time to do all these things. My mom already went home. She said I can come to her house and she'd help me. Ronnie's sleeping. He's sick. My sister's sick, but she's still helping me with stuff. It's just like, oh gosh. It's not that serious. If I can't get the headband done, whatever, but I'm going to try because I really was looking forward to it. So I think we're going to do it. We're going to do the headband. Like, I just have to accept that I'm not going to go sleep until probably 11 o'clock, if not midnight, and then I have to jump at the crack ass of dawn because I need to shower and get ready and then get these kids ready before 9 o'clock service. So, oh dear. I was like thinking of putting Netflix on in the background and just watching Griselda while I cut these papers, but I'm like, you know what, no, I need to focus. So let me focus and get this done. Actually, I'm not doing it that way. I screwed up the first one. I just hope everyone has a good time. I appreciate people for coming to my little events. They don't have to. They have lots of other competing priorities and things to do. So I like to take time to just make these personalized gifts or memorabilias or tokens, if you call it that, just so that they know that we cared for them to come. All right, let's see. That's much better. Much better. There we go. That one's perfect. That one's came out really good. Alright y'all, it is 10:15 and I finally got through making all of my favors. It was a fun little project though. So this is what I'm gonna have the waitress hand these out. On the back I just printed the ingredients on that little sticky paper. So I think that looks professional. So yeah, I'm very happy with how these are. It'll just be a little farewell treat, like, you know, you get candy before you leave. This is your candy. So I'm gonna pack these up. Remember to give them to who now? I need to remember to carry them. I'm gonna forget. I'll die if I forget. All this work for nothing. All right, I'm so happy with how everything turned out. Oh my goodness, my baby, I love you. It's like the universe doesn't even want me to sleep tonight. Anyways, Headband. I'm just so proud of getting the favors done and the seating placements done. Like, what? The things I can do. Well, let's see if I can do anything with this. So I think I showed you all, this is the headband. It's the only one I could find. Literally, I went to so many pharmacies, so many beauty supply stores, like literally everywhere, and no one's selling headbands. I guess it's not in style these days, I'm not sure. But if I could find good headbands, I'd be wearing them. But this is all I could find, and so this is what we are going to use. I know not what I am doing. And my mom's not here, which sucks because she would have been able to assist me. Ow! Jeez, I need to go sleep. Who am I kidding? I'd either be on the couch reading or editing or watching TikTok, so I can stay up to do this. Sometimes you have to retrain your mind. Furthermore, if it turns out good, I'm going to be very happy. If it turns out bad, well, I tried. So this is the only sponge material that they had, and I took it because I'm like, we can make this work. So what I'm gonna do is first peel this piece off, and then not all of it because I don't need much, and then let's see how much we need to cut off. You know, I regret not paying attention in like those craft classes in school, but it was never my thing. I'd rather be in like economics or something. I always thought it was a waste of time. The reason I want sponge is because I want it to be thick before I cover it with the white. So like I want it to be, I mean, you're gonna see, because like right now it's flat, so I want to add some dimension to the headband. So I was thinking I was going to add 2 pieces of sponge to like really make it elevated. I think 2 is going to be exactly enough. So let's add 2. Alright, let me glue this on top of here. That's easy. It says this is very toxic, so. Just flattening this in. Alright, here's the next piece. Like I said, this is an experiment of experiments. Why do I keep falling short on this end? That's not cool. Alright, let's try this. This isn't going to be too easy either, but what kind of material is this, anyways? He's sewing, y'all. Alright, y'all, this is the makeshift, oh my battery's dying, kind of stitching that I did. I'm not proud of it. Well, I kind of am. It's a little lumpy, but it's the foam. But I'm liking what I see so far. So all I'm going to do now is place these beads over this, glue them, and then that's going to be my headband. My battery is dying, so stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll show you the finished product, but because I'm not going to change my battery now. I have to go into another room to get it. So yeah, I just have to place these beads if I have enough glue over this, and we'll have a finished product. Okay, bye. Alright, moment of truth. This is my makeshift headband. Which side am I even going to wear this now? I think I'll wear it on this side. I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyways, I'm too late to worry about it. Alright, gotta go. Wish me luck. The service was absolutely stunning. I mean, everything was perfect. The sermon was beautiful, and of course Zaedyn had to cry. All my children cry when they're getting christened, but that's fine. We're just now waiting to get into the venue, and the weather is beautiful. The only thing is it's very windy, but at least it's not as hot as one would expect around midday. So yeah, so happy.